Bang! Yes, so welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. You know it's your boy Flava Media Entertainment TV here in the house with you today again. Yes, so viewers and subscribers, today I'm there with a very disturbing news, viewers and subscribers, because this young man who go by the name of Marlon Thomas, viewers and subscribers, he's 18-year-old. This young man said that him have to be in the street wiping car glass, viewers and subscribers, just for a daily living. You understand what I mean? This young man said why him have to in the street right now I do this at this age, viewers and subscribers, because his mother drop out from a tender age from him small, viewers and subscribers. But him say him have a bigger sister, but the bigger sister now work, so therefore she can't help him neither. You understand what I mean? And them thing I look away, viewers and subscribers, to see how the government just focus on just corona alone, like a corona or hunger problem. This is a big problem in the country, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? And them youth in the street, them just want a little help, not even much, because the youth I say, even in the video, the youth I say him just need one help, one little help. If I just somebody can just take him and send him back to school or do something for him, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? And John No Star, me I tell you right now, it pain my heart. But viewers and subscribers, me I gonna make you watch the video clip for yourself. Remember to share your thought down into the comment section and let me know what you think. So here is the video, check it out.
Hi, how are you doing?
Rough out here in a moment, rough out here on the street.
So tell us your name. What's your name?
Marlon Thomas,
How old are you, Marlon?
18 years old.
So did you attend high school?
Charlie Smith High School.
Oh, you attended Charlie Smith. So did you graduate or?
No, moment, 10th grade, my job out.
Oh, you fell out of school?
Yeah.
Okay, so why are you on the road? How comes you ended up wiping
So my
windscreens?
mother gone, I have to step on the road to keep my money without no one to help me, mommy. Just feed it to my heart.
When you say your mother is gone, what do you mean?
She died, mommy, she died. She died.
So it's just you're on your own.
Yes, mommy.
So you don't have any sisters or brothers that
I have
can.
a bigger sister.
So she doesn't help you?
She do not work.
Your sister doesn't work. So basically you're out here struggling it out for yourself. You're on your own. How is it when you meet up with the motorists? Do they tell you yes you can wipe it, or do they send you away?
Sometimes it kind of based it, but most majority of the time them tell me no still.
Oh, they tell you no.
Yeah, rough out here. Tell you the honest truth.
And you need help.
Need help, true.
And I know you want a second chance.
Second chance in life, just one, me and begging, just one.
One. You know what, Marlon? The second chance is coming, and it was so great talking with you.
So when you hear that, viewers and subscribers, oh my word, this young man I say him drop out of school from grade 10, viewers and subscribers, and from then he must also for himself, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? There's whole heap more things where him could have do. Him could have go pick up bad man thing, him could have go a thief and a rob. At the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, him don't choose that. Him choose to go work him honest bread. And this just shows that this young man is very ambitious. And me I urge anybody we can give this young man a strength and help him in any way possible to do it. You understand what I mean? More we have to lend a helping hand. You understand what I mean? So viewers and subscribers, this is my intake on this story. Yes, so just remember to like, share with a friend, drop a comment into the comment section, and to all of my viewers, remember to subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever any new content is uploaded. Peace, I'm out.